Hi guys, my name is Erica B. Marchadesh and I'm going to show you how to debug in Command Prompt or CMD. Okay, let's start. Just type cd dot dot, then enter, cd dot dot, then enter, then type debug. I'm going to add type A. I'm going to type 100, 1000, then enter. Then type move AL, 23, then enter, move BH, 12, enter, then type add AL to BH, then HLT, enter, then enter again, then type G is equals to 1000 space 106. AX is 35 because we add 23 and 12. So let's move to increment. Let's move to increment. I'm going to type A 1000, then enter, type move AX, 1000, enter, then increment AX, then enter, then halt, enter again, then G 1000, and the number where it stopped, 104, then enter. You will see that AX incremented to 1001 because we use the number 1000. Then let's go to decrement. Let's use the number 2000, then enter, type move AL 23, then enter, then type decrement or DEC or DEC, decrement AL, then enter, then type halt. Halt is when you want to stop, then enter again, then type G is equals to 2000 space 2004 because 2004 is the number where you stop, then enter. You will see that AX is decremented to 22 because we use the number 23. Now we will move to exchange. Exchange, just type A3000, enter, type move AX 15, enter, move BX 20, then exchange AX BX, then enter, oops, sorry, X, XCHG, then space exchange to AX to BX, then enter, type HAL, then enter again. G is equals to 3,000 and 308. Enter. You will see that it exchange AX. We use AX15, but the output is AX20, and the BX is 15. It exchange. So that is how you use debug in CMD. That's all. Thank you.